Hey, welcome to Bar Essentials, straight from Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. In this series, we're going over the essential ingredients necessary for every great bar, every great bartender, and every happiness bar. Today, we're going to be going over the technique for citrus juicing for your home bar, because every great shaken cocktail depends on the quality of its citrus. If you're looking for recipes for a demerara syrup, simple syrup, ginger syrup, mint syrup, honey syrup, saline solution, or an orgeat, check out the links below. If you're in the right place, let's jump in. Tools you're going to need today for juicing citrus. First and foremost, a knife. You're going to need a citrus juicer. And most importantly, we're going to need a mesh sieve. It's super important when juicing citrus for cocktails, you always double strain. Now your standard citrus juice that's behind most bars are lemon, lime, orange, and grapefruit. Now I wouldn't suggest juicing all these right away just to keep on your back bar. You always want to juice fresh because citrus has a very short shelf life. And it's super important not to use past its shelf life because it'll lead to very astringent cocktails, poor quality, lack of body in the cocktail. It's not enjoyable. You want fresh citrus in all your cocktails all the time. All right, so your shelf life on citrus is as follows. For lemon, it's good for 2 days, right? Throw out on the third day. For lime, it's also good for 2 days. Throw it out on the third day. Now for orange and grapefruit, they're not quite as acidic as lemon and lime. So for orange and for grapefruit, they're both good for 3 days. You're gonna wanna throw those out on the 4th day. All right, I'm gonna demonstrate with lemon the technique for juicing. I'm not gonna juice all this citrus as to not waste it because I don't currently need it, but I'm gonna use the lemons. I need to use the juice anyways later. So let's jump in. I typically cut all my citrus first, get it laid out, extremely organized because I have a little bit of OCD when it comes to this kind of stuff. It's annoying to me that there's one extra half here. All right, we got our citrus cut. Let's go ahead and start juicing. All right, grab a container, put your citrus rind side up in your juicer. I give it a press, open it back up a touch, give it another press. All right, so important note for volume, so you know how much citrus you're gonna want, depending on how many cocktails you want, how many guests you're gonna have, that about 20 lemons will make a liter of lemon juice. About 25 limes will make a liter of lime juice. About 10 oranges will make a liter of orange juice. And about 4 to 6 grapefruits will make a liter of grapefruit juice. We got all that juiced. All right, so now for the important part. We're gonna wanna strain our lemon juice twice. We double strain it all the time. We do it once. Let's grab a fresh strainer. Strain it one more time. Grab your blue tape, label what it is, and date it. So it's important to note that a liter of citrus juice will yield about 45 cocktails. And there you have it. Fresh citrus juice, essential for every bar and every happiness bar. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.